Happy Tulip Tuesday. This is the day we share timely tips for the Tulip Pro. Today, talking Valentines. Valentine's arrangements can come in so many different styles and colors. Yes, yellow, pink, purple. They don't have to be red. Go ahead, make your arrangements, and then make them more Valentine. Adding a bit of Midolino on the sides, just inserting it into the arrangement. Maybe adding heather. So pretty and fluffy. Even bear grass can make it be Valentine's. Just inserting it bunched together. Then, using a wood wired pick, capture the ends, bring it together. Clasp it, ensure that it's secure, and then insert it right down into the bouquet, adding a heart to any arrangement. The heather, one of my absolute favorites. Moving the bear grass out of the way, clasping it, securing, and then bringing it straight down. You can adjust if one's a little fuller than the other. Then the bear grass, gathering it, clasping it together, adjusting, then securing it down into your arrangement.